Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super useful for anyone with a Citi Strata credit card. How to boost your credit limit. Whether you're planning a big purchase or just want more financial flexibility, increasing your limit can be a game changer. But remember, it's all about responsible credit use to keep your finances healthy. Let's get started. First things first, before you even think about requesting an increase, make sure you're in a good spot with your credit. Check your credit score through free services like Credit Karma or directly via Citi's app. Aim for a score above 700, as that's often what lenders look for. If your score needs work, focus on paying bills on time and keeping your credit utilization below 30%. That's the ratio of what you owe to your total limit. Once you're ready, log into your Citi Strata account online or through the mobile app. Look for the Credit Limit Increase option, usually under Account Settings. You'll need to provide some details, like your income and employment info, to show you can handle a higher limit. If you're not comfortable doing this online, call Citi's customer service at 1-800-347-4934 and speak to a representative. They're often helpful and can guide you through the process. After submitting your request, be patient. It might take a few days to a couple of weeks for approval. Factors like your payment history and overall account activity play a big role. If it's denied, don't worry. Use it as a chance to improve your credit before trying again. In summary, increasing your Citi Strata credit limit is straightforward if you prepare well. Always use credit wisely to avoid debt traps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your biggest credit card hack? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.